Hello, how are you all? I'm Fun. Today we are cooking a Marry Me chicken using the Ninja Speedi cooker. Do you know the story behind this dish? Let me tell you that the origin of the Marry Me chicken recipe is uncertain, but it is believed to date back to the 1980s in the United States. During that time, it was common for American women to cook for their partners as a way to show their love. The Marry Me chicken recipe, which involves marinating chicken in a creamy and spicy sauce, quickly became popular as a romantic recipe. In fact, the original recipe was called engagement chicken, and it was said that if a woman cooked it for her partner, he would inevitably propose to her. This belief is based on the idea that chicken is a symbol of love and commitment. Recently, the Marry Me chicken recipe went viral on social media, especially on TikTok. This helped make the recipe more well-known worldwide. Today, Marry Me chicken is a popular recipe for special occasions such as romantic dates, anniversaries, and marriage proposals. In this video, I'm sharing my version of the original Marry Me chicken recipe made in the amazing Ninja Speedi cooker. And now, let's see how to make this romantic recipe. Cut each chicken breast into 2 thick fillets and season them with salt. Coat both sides with flour. Turn the lever of the cooker to the air fry mode and open the lid. Remove the rack from the Ninja Speedi cooker as it won't be needed. Select the Stir Sauté program and leave it on the default High 5 level. Press the Start button. Pour olive oil into the cooker. Once the oil is hot after about 4 minutes, place the chicken breast in the cooker for about 9 minutes with the lid open, flipping them halfway through the cooking time until they are golden brown. Remove the chicken and set it aside. Add the minced garlic and slice sun-dried tomatoes to the cooker. Let them cook for about 1 minute, stirring occasionally. Add cream, grated Parmesan cheese, Italian seasoning blend, a pinch of chili flakes, salt, pepper, and chicken broth. Dissolve 1 heaping teaspoon of cornstarch in a cup with a little cold water and add it to the cooker. Stir everything together and let it cook for 2 minutes. Add the chicken breast back into the cooker. Close the lid and turn the lever on the cooker to the rapid cooker mode. Select the steam program and set the time to 12 minutes. After the cooking time, your dish will be ready to serve. Just sprinkle some chopped fresh parsley on top. And now, someone might just propose to you. Well, what a fantastic recipe! I'm sure you were eager to give it a try. Plus, you have seen how the Ninja Speedi makes everything easier. It's the perfect solution for those of us who don't have time to cook. And that's all for today's recipe. Don't miss out on my upcoming videos where I will show you how to prepare delicious dishes with the Ninja Speedi. So subscribe to this channel now to not miss out on everything I'm going to share with you. See you soon and take care.